jet fuel, it can't melt them. So people think it's just demolition. Is that what you? Is that about it? I just fucking hate it. Like apparently there's no water because they're trying to protect the smell. Damn, dude. What? I just deodorant. No, smell me. Smell me. I'm sick. I can't even do it.
And local action here on the station in the afternoons once again, and then secondly, that it's finished.
That's right, yeah.
So yeah.
Bring in the heat. What the?
That's
I
right.
like it.
And then of course we got the Bongino news over.
What you doing? Up the old hit and run.
Hey folks, it's Mike, and we're just on the way to the cottage. There's a white pickup truck behind me, and we're just going to turn left here. And whoa! White pickup truck's not behind me anymore. It's in front of me. So I laid on my horn and watch Bro Mingo here. He doesn't particularly like having the horn laid on. Nice sunglasses. He's got the bald head and the goatee. Good stereotype going on here. So he asked me if I had a problem, and I said, no, you cut me off. And he got back in his truck and drove off. In a hurry. In a serious hurry. When he got onto the highway, he was zipping between lanes. I don't know where he ended up. He was so far ahead. He was zipping between lanes. This guy was not a pleasant individual. He was not having a nice Friday, folks. No, he was having a shitty Friday. And he was apparently in a real hurry, too. A real hurry. There he goes.
Why's he backing up? He's doing a burnout. Seriously? Oh, yeah! Oh,
No, they hit. They hit.
Wow. Got its license plate on there?
Probably not well enough.
What's up? Oh, I got you on video, you dumbass. Yeah.
You're a dumb.
My dash cam's always rolling, boy. Drag me out of the car. Come on.
It was trying. Whoa. Where are you going? Whoa. Alright.
Fii atent că nu pot să stau în pula mea pe drum. Nu, fii atent aici. Aici.